I'm here in North Alabama to see what I can find in this swamp. Whoa, looky there! Looks like we've got a common snapping turtle. Oh, yes, these are beautiful. These can range all the way from Canada to Ecuador and South America. They're related to the alligator snapping turtle, which is a bit larger, but not as aggressive. It's very beautiful. Seems that look at its eyes. These have very long necks, and they can reach very far and very fast. Their beaks. Show you this. Look at that. Yeah. These are beautiful creatures. Incredibly dangerous. I suggest you never go up to one unless you're trained to handle these creatures. See, I'm not going to handle it because they're incredibly sharp claws. You can see right there. And they can whip that tail around, smack you with their sharp claws. Their tails, shell's very sharp. This guy wants to protect his eggs from me. Looks like she's trying to find a place to lay her eggs. She's already got one laid right there. So I'm going to keep my distance. But I'm going to leave this one be. Now, there's also very good turtle soup. We're not going to eat this beauty. They're widely hunted in many places. But let's keep this one be. So beautiful. I'll show you one last time the amazing speed of their jaws. Striking. You'll never be too far away from a snapping turtle that's laid its eggs. Always be careful with these creatures. Have lightning fast reflexes. So I'm just going to try to get it to bite one last time. Just to show you its pure strength. Yeah, it's got my stick right there. Did you see its tongue right there? Beautiful creatures. It's trying to make sure it's got its eye on me the whole time. It wants to know where I am. Very smart. Very aggressive. I think this is just a beautiful creature. You see these spikes on here? There's ridges right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, she's trying to keep herself a good distance. Try to keep her eye right on me. Check this out. Look at her. Oh, those beautiful eyes. We're going to keep our distance away from it. So it doesn't feel threatening, it'll start to walk. So you can see how fast these things can actually go. It is common misperception that turtles go very slow, but that is not true. So if you see a turtle, get away from it and keep your guard up because they can move fast enough where you might not notice it and will come and bite you. So let's just keep our distance and see what it does. That's the turtle. Here we have a video of it walking towards the water to find a good place to lay its eggs. Now, this creature is very shy, so if we get too close, curl up, it won't walk for us. So we're going to keep our distance and just enjoy the beautiful creature. And that's why you don't go walking through swamps like this unless you're trained. Because if you walk across a snapping turtle, you might have to get your foot taken off. Hopefully that won't happen. I'm Jonathan Jensen. This is my assistant, Jesse Lee.
We're here from North Alabama with the snapping turtle.
We're going to see if we can find common alligator snapping turtle. some other adventures along the way. See you then.